Dear students, good morning to all of you. Here in this video clips, I am going to teach you about conjunction. Here in this brackets, I have given here and, but, if, so, or. These are conjunctions. You have to choose one of them, then your sentence will be correct. Here in these blanks, I have already given here answer or, if, so, but, or, if. No. Now you have to understand where and will be used, but will be used, if will be used, so will be used, or will be used. There are some certain rules. These rules must be followed. Here one by one we will discuss. The word or is a conjunction. At first you have to understand what is a conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins two words or two sentences. Two words or two sentences. No. That means joining words are called conjunction. These are the joining words: and, but, if, so, or. You have to take one of them, then your sentence will be right. Here green words are the right answer. I have already given here. You understand it. Or is used, you have to select one. You have to choose one. Okay. You can write with a pen or a pen. Okay. You can write with a pen or a pencil. Here is two, a pen and a pencil. You may use one of them. In that case, or is used. So I have written here or. Next, dash, I do not pay the fee, I will not be granted admission. No, here is condition. When we see the condition, conditional sentence, in such a sentences, conjunction will be if. If I do not pay the fee, I will not be granted admission. There is a condition. Condition is to pay the fee. If I pay the fee, I will be admitted. If I do not pay the fee, I will not be granted admission. If is used in condition, or is used, okay, for selection. You have to select one. You have to choose one. One will be. Here is Ramesh had prepared for the test, dash, he got good marks. No. What will be here? So will be here. Ramesh had prepared for the test, so he got good marks. So he got good marks. Good marks for good preparation for the test. No, that is the reason. If you see the reason, then you have to use so, so, so. So sentence will be Ramesh had prepared for the test, so he got good marks. So is used. Here I have and, but, if, so, or. In the first, or. In the second, if. Third, so. Now, the test paper was easy, dash, very lengthy. You have to appropriate word here. Appropriate conjunctions given in the brackets and, but, if, so, or. I have given here but, but. I have given here but, but is here. The test paper was easy, but very lengthy. Just opposites, contradictory. If you see in the sentences, only in that cases but is used. But. The test paper was easy but very lengthy. You can take a bus, dash, a train. Two things here, a bus, a train. In the first sentence you see a pen, a pencil. No, you have to choose one. You can take a bus or a train. You can write with a pen or a pencil. You can go there. You can go there by a taxi or a train. No, in this way you can fill up such type of sentences. No. Then last thing is here, you can wear my shoes, dash, you cannot find yours. Here is what? Here is condition. Condition is if you cannot find yours, only in that case you can use my shoes. That means you can use my shoes. You can wear my shoes. No, you can take my shoes. So what you have written here? If will be here. If will be here. These are the sentences you have to read. You have to write all these. Then you have to decide which one will be appropriate in these sentences. Okay? Once again, fill in the blanks. Blanks is here. And is here. But is here. If is here. So is here. Or is here. These are conjunctions. Parts of speech you have learned: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Conjunction is one of them. Conjunction means a word that connects word to word. No, two sentences, two nouns, two words will be joined by certain words, and those words are called conjunction. Those words are called conjunctions, and these are the examples: and, but, if, so, or. The first sentence you can write with a pen or a pencil. If I do not pay the fee, I will not be granted admission. Ramesh had prepared for the test, so he got good marks. The test paper was easy but very lengthy. The test paper was very easy but very lengthy. You can take a bus or a train. You can take a bus or a train. You can wear shoes if you cannot find yours. So if is used in a conditional, so is used for reason, but is used in just opposite contradictory sentences, or is used when you have to select one of them, you have to choose one of them. In that cases, these conjunctions are used. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.